LastPass Password Manager Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of LastPass Password Manager. Links to the product are in the description below if you'd like to check it out after this video. LastPass is a feature-packed password management solution designed to simplify and secure your digital life. With LastPass, you can store unlimited passwords, generate strong and unique passwords, and access them across all your devices: desktops, smartphones, and tablets. The service is built for both individuals and businesses, catering to anyone who values convenience, security, and ease of access. One of the standout features of LastPass is its autofill capability, which automatically populates your login credentials for websites and apps. It saves time and eliminates the frustration of manually typing complex passwords. Additionally, LastPass offers secure notes for storing sensitive information like Wi-Fi passwords, credit card details, and even legal documents. The security backbone of LastPass is its zero-knowledge encryption, meaning only you can access your data. Even LastPass themselves can't see your passwords. Another impressive feature is its emergency access, which allows trusted contacts to access your account in case of an emergency. For advanced users or businesses, LastPass offers shared password folders, multi-factor authentication, and robust administrative controls. LastPass Premium and Family plans add even more value with perks like dark web monitoring, additional storage for encrypted files, and priority tech support. In terms of usability, LastPass provides a seamless experience with its browser extensions and mobile apps. Setting it up is quick, and importing existing passwords is straightforward. Whether you're a tech-savvy individual or someone just beginning to take password security seriously, LastPass adapts to your needs with minimal effort. Overall, LastPass strikes a solid balance between user-friendliness and robust security. If you're looking for a reliable way to secure your online presence without compromising on convenience, LastPass is worth considering. Links to explore the product further are in the description. Thanks for watching, and let me know your thoughts in the comments.